Welcome to BreitWerks. What are we working on today? 1986 930 Turbo S. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a new engine sound pad. So we've got the majority of the old glue off the firewall there. So we've used an adhesive remover, we've cleaned it, all kinds of stuff. And I think the last ones of these that I've ever showed you guys, I kind of show you taping it off and then I show you the final product. Well, we're gonna get a little froggy. We're gonna see if maybe I can put you on a time lapse, because this is a fun job. This is not the easiest job in the world, nor is it the most difficult job in the world. It's just fiddly, very fiddly. And it looks like an elephant's nutsack when you're done, and there's really no better way to do it. So I'm gonna see if I can get you guys set up on a time lapse here, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. We've got our brand new Porsche sound pad sitting down there in its plastic wrap, and what we're gonna use is, I think, Super 77 or Super 80 3M product. You know, it's a spray it on this surface, spray it on that surface, let it get tacky, and then assemble. So we're gonna get on with it. All right, well, there you have it. You know, when you look at it from ground level, absolutely came out fantastic. You know, one day, maybe some touch-up paint. And we'll see, though, once you get the motor in, there's lots of stuff right here. So maybe we'll put some kind of custom piece up there or spray it black or whatever, but you can't see it when the car's sitting down like this. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Only thing left to do is put some ceramic wax on the red paint. Didn't want to do that until after the glue was dry, so we'll give that like another 20 minutes and it'll be done. But yeah, tucking the corners, you know, turbos are a little bit harder because you got a lot more stuff in here that you just need to move out of the way. But and this car is odd. This hump here, right? That's there, I believe, because somebody beat out the sheet metal to put some speakers in the back. So that normally you wouldn't have this hump. This kind of comes down, and it so looks a little odd compared to other ones that we've done, but I think it's going to look fantastic once the engine's in the car. All right, hey, have a fantastic day. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.